don't got much, just a 75, but you never know. Oh, another 75, another dollar, Come on, major. Throw a major in there. Another coin? No. Maybe one more to open it. Oh, come on. Uh-oh. Okay, good. Come on, another coin, yeah. Yeah, we needed that. Come on, one more. One more to get us that $5. Okay. Come on. This one. Okay, good. Okay, one more. And one more. One more to open it. Another coin now. Last spin, save it. Anywhere. No. Got back to the 20 I put in, so I'm happy about that. Not bad. Kind of a fun bonus. Okay. We'll be back. Hopefully we can get free games or something. Come on, 3 more. Okay. Have a good day. Okay, we got the bonus and we got a $50 ball. Okay, let's hope we can get more. Uh-oh, come on. Save it. Anywhere. Okay, another 50. Nice. Come on. I don't know what he's flying down for, but that could be good. Oh, it's a green thing? Oh, a will. Nice. Nice. Come on. Keep them coming. Yep. Whoa. Okay, come on. Come on, another 50. Come on. Make it good. Save it. Yeah. Fill it up. Give me another. Oh, yeah. Another will. Come on. Give me another will. Yeah. Another green. Come on. Something big. Another will. Okay. Yeah. I get to spin that will up there. Come on. Save it. Scream. Yeah. Oh. Come on. Save it. Oh. Come on. Give me something good here.
Give it up.
Grand? No. Take it back.
Ain't no bad.
One more. Come on. Anything but the mini. Minor, get over there. No. You got 2 minis. $10 a piece. Not bad. Take that. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day. Okay, let's see what we get out of this. Hopefully, we can get lots of rockets. Triple rockets. Come on. Give me that jackpot. Okay, here we go. Let's hope we can get something good. Come on. Okay. That helps. Keeps us in the game. Come on. Come on. Roar. No. Got a wheel spin.
Spin the wheel.
Oh, not a mini. Wasn't as good as the other game. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day. Well, hello everyone. I'm out here. I'm playing Black Knight. I thought I was playing nickels, but I guess it's pennies, so I'm only betting 30 cents, unfortunately. But maybe we can get something. I think we need a Black Knight. We're not getting them. Here we got one, but it's a little too late. A little too late. Yeah. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. We have this new Quick Hits out here by Light and Wonder. It's Heads Up Studios. I don't know what the name of it is. Oh, I guess it's Link Gems. Link Gems. That's what it is. Okay, I'm just gonna do the $1.50 just to see. Nothing? No. No. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.